You don't need a fancy degree or $10,000 to start earning extra income. In 2025, the digital economy has opened up more opportunities than ever before. You don't need years of experience or a big budget, just a laptop, internet connection, and the drive to start. If you're ready to make extra income on your own terms, here are 5 of the best side hustles you can start today. No experience required. 1. AI prompt writing. Get paid to talk to ChatGPT. AI tools like ChatGPT, Claude, and others are revolutionizing the way businesses work. They rely on clear, effective prompts to get valuable outputs, whether for marketing, content creation, or customer service automation. You can offer prompt writing services on platforms like Fiverr or Upwork without needing any coding skills, just creativity and clear communication. As AI adoption grows, demand for skilled prompt engineers is skyrocketing. Earnings $20 to $100 plus per project. Skill level beginner to intermediate. 2. TikTok UGC creator faceless. Brands want authentic, relatable videos from everyday people to promote their products on TikTok. The best part? You don't need followers or even to show your face. You can create simple faceless videos using B-roll footage, product demos, and AI-generated voiceovers. Platforms like Billo and Modash connect creators with brands looking for user-generated content UGC. Earnings $50 to $200 plus per video. Tools needed: smartphone, basic video editing apps. 3. Print on demand with AI designs. No design skills? No problem. Use AI art generators like Midjourney or DALL-E to create unique designs. Then sell them on products like t-shirts, mugs, and posters through Printify, Printful, and Etsy. This model is low risk, no inventory, no upfront costs, and all printing and shipping are handled by the platform. Just focus on designing and marketing your store. Earnings $5 to $20 profit per sale. Skill level beginner. Workload front-loaded setup, then mostly passive income. 4. Freelance Notetaker. Zoom meetings. Remote work means lots of meetings, and not everyone wants to take notes. That's where you come in. Companies and entrepreneurs pay freelancers to transcribe or summarize meetings using tools like Otter.ai for transcription and Notion or Google Docs for organizing notes. It's a great gig if you're a good listener with attention to detail. Earnings $25 to $100 plus per meeting. Hand skills needed: listening, summarizing, basic typing. 5. Faceless YouTube channels. YouTube remains one of the most profitable platforms, and you don't have to be on camera to succeed. Faceless channels use AI voiceovers, stock footage, and simple editing to produce content in popular niches like finance, motivation, psychology, or storytelling. Monetize with YouTube AdSense, affiliate marketing, and sponsored content. Earnings varies widely, but scalable with consistency. Tip: focus on evergreen content that attracts views over time. Final tips: start 1. Stay consistent, keep learning. The biggest barrier is often just getting started. You don't have to be perfect. Pick a side hustle that excites you, put in consistent effort, and learn as you go. Over time, these side hustles can grow into reliable income streams or even full-time careers. Remember, your future self will thank you for the steps you take today.